everyone, this video will show you how to convert a pivot table to a regular spreadsheet, either with all of the formatting or without. This is useful when you want to send someone a report that is not connected to the underlying data source, or if you just want to use the data yourself without it being in a pivot table. There are two different ways you can do this. The first way is to click somewhere in the pivot table, go to Pivot Table Analyze, select Entire Pivot Table. Right mouse click, Copy, then click in the cell where you want the copy to appear. On the home ribbon in the clipboard area, in the lower right-hand corner, click the small arrow. Select the last thing you copied, which will be at the top of the list. This way, all the data and formatting are included except for the width of each column, but we can add that by selecting any cells that span the width of the pivot table, copy, click somewhere in the first column of the copy that you made, and on the home ribbon, go to the Paste down arrow, click on Paste Special, and select Column Widths. We have our data and it is not a pivot table. When I click in the pivot table, we see the related ribbons and fields list, and when I click here, it is just a regular spreadsheet. There is a second method you can use that lets you choose which elements of the pivot table you want to keep. And to demonstrate different scenarios, I will apply a design style to this pivot table and manually highlight one value. Now go to Pivot Table Analyze, select the pivot table, copy, click in the cell where you want the copy to appear. On the home ribbon, click the Paste down arrow, click on Paste Special. You can select only one option at a time. If you click on Values, the result is plain text and numbers with no formatting. If you decide you do want the numbers formatted, the pivot table is still on the clipboard, so you can go back to Paste Special, and this time select Values and Number Formats. And then repeat as needed. You may want to paste in the column widths, and if you want to apply formats, for some reason only the highlighting that I added manually shows up, but not the built-in design style. So if you want to apply all the formatting colors and shadings, then select only the table and not the report filter, copy, and Paste Special Formats. And then you can copy and paste the report filter separately. Using the second method, we have the same result. The pivot table has been successfully converted to a regular spreadsheet that you can send to someone or use however you wish. I hope you found this helpful.